What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Touille from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the nose. We're going to start on the left side with a curve. We're going to go up and then down. From the ends, let's bend the nose, coming down and in towards the middle. Let's move out to the side and draw the top edge of the muzzle. I'm going to curve this up and then bend that down. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw the bottom edge of the muzzle. Starting on the left, step down, curve this down and up in the middle. Come down and up towards the right. Now along the side of the muzzle, we're going to angle the eyes, going up and then out towards the top. I'm just going to curve the eyes, coming around and then back in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, coming around and then in towards the side. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the eyebrows. Let's start with an angled line coming down and out towards the side. From the bottom, I'm just going to curve this up across the corner of the eye and then out. Let's draw in the teeth. Starting on the side, angle this down and in. I'm going to pull this in towards a point in the center and then split this in half. Now let's work our way around the side of the mouth. Starting on the left side, go around the eye, and then up towards the top. Let's bend this out and then down. Now I want to draw on the bottom of the mouth. So we're going to step out, curve this down, across the middle, and then bend that up towards the right side. Let's draw the tongue along the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and add a fold, coming down towards the right. Step back, go up, and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the side of the eyes and draw on the cheeks. I'm going to start on the left, going up, and then down towards the side. Let's add a point, coming down and in, go down and out. Now I want to trace the head, coming around the bottom of the mouth, cross, and then back up towards the right. Now we're going to close off the top of the head. Let's start on the top of the left cheek, go around the eye, go up and then in towards the middle. Now I want to add some hair across the top. So I'm going to bend this down, go up and then out, and then come back down. Let's close off the side of the head, going across and then down on top of the cheek. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the head. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a large oval. We're going to go up towards the top, come all the way around the side, and then bend that in. Let's draw that same size oval on the right. We're going to add some notches on the side. So let's start at the top, going up towards the same height. Bring this down towards the side. Let's add those notches, coming in, then out, and add another one, coming in and then out. We'll close off the bottom of the ear, coming in towards the cheek. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, starting from the top of our curve, coming in, and then down. Now I'm switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the fish in the center of the body. We'll start with a straight line going across the top, and goes down and then in. Now on either side, we're going to draw on the bones. So we're going to start with a curve going out and then in. We want to draw that 3 times on either side, going out. Angle is down and out across the base of the head. Then it's down and in, leaving a gap in the center. And we'll add a notch going up and then down. Now in the center of the head, let's move over towards the right and draw a circle. Let's surround that fish with an oval, starting underneath the head on the left, going all the way around, go across the bottom, and then back up. Let's go out to the side, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up on the left and right side. Let's round out the toe and then bend that in. Now move back up to the hips and draw the outside leg going out and down on top of the feet. I'm going to separate the toes with two curves, starting from the outside. And we'll add a seam across the bottom of the leg with a curve coming down and up. Let's go back up to the side of the body and draw on the inside edge of the arms. So we're going to start on the left, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now on either side, we're going to draw three fingers clenched into a fist, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up around that bracket. Let's go to the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. Third finger, we're going to go out, bend this up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with that first finger. Let's add a seam across the wrist. From the thumb, step up, going up and then out. And we'll finish off with the tail coming around the hand on the left side. Let's start from the hip. We come down and then that up. Now we're going to taper this so it gets wider as you come back in towards the leg. Let's add some texture inside the tail with these curves, working our way in. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cartoon illustration of Touille from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.